Gold last week hit the record high levels at 2484.85, and towards the end of the week it has reversed sharply. We have seen it closing at 2400 levels and in red here. Does it mean a reversal? Can we expect a drop in gold from here, or there is a possibility for another bullish candle? What is going to be our strategy? Because this is going to be massive. If it is going to drop, we are going to look forward to a stronger correction here. How to profit from this, where to enter, where to exit, everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is a weekly review, and this channel provides you twice a day updates every day, first with the Asia and Europe session, next with the US session, with regards to entry, exit, and trading strategy for gold, with key levels to watch out for. Thus, subscribe and press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Towards the end of this update, I'll be giving you the levels to watch out for and trade as per. Do watch till the end. Let's start first to look into 4 hours. On the 4-hour charts, if you look at, see, track the movement of gold here, rise from here. This was the key support at 2300 levels. We have seen rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement towards 50 period moving average, retracement towards 20 period. This time it is retraced towards the 100 period moving average, and you can find out it is forming a very good support here at this zone, which means it is going to be critical for gold to trade below 2390 and 2370 zone. This zone is going to remain critical for gold. Any move below 2370 is a sign that we are looking forward to a sharper correction here, where in fact the prices might tumble towards 2320 and 2300 levels possibilities. But right now, if you look at it, is forming a good support here, and the support here at 2490 2394 is strong. Higher lows are seen, so possibly the coming week may start with a slight retracement, where the prices might try to move towards 2410 2420 zone, and from those levels 2420 is again going to be one critical resistance for it to break past by 2420 2422 level. Though from those levels a reversal can be expected again. See, stochastic is oversold. This also confirms that a little retracement on the upside can be expected. Look at MACD trading with sharp divergence, sharp bearishness, and it has plummeted sharp here from the peak. In my daily updates, I have mentioned that it is crossed over at the top. It can continue here on the downside. Now, after hitting the low, see the candle size have started to diminish. What has happened here can get replicated again, which means a little retracement can be expected. RSI hitting the bottom here. Coming to daily charts, now it is important to note the daily charts. On the daily charts, you can see it has breached this bullish channel here. Now, breaching this bullish channel, one very important aspect to note here is, see, too much of divergence from the 20 period average, and it has hit the 20 period moving average, precisely getting the support here. These are exponential moving averages here. 2394 levels precisely hitting the support. It has tried to close in red only. But we can also notice this is 3 bearish candles in succession. Couple of retracement candles can be expected here. At best, towards 2440-45, we can see a reversal. Possibility exists strong. See, little retracement can be expected, but a fall from those levels 2440-45. Now, these levels are going to play a major role in the coming week. First 2420-22, then 2440-45. Now, these two levels, if it breaches on the upside, you can say it is reversing and the bulls will continue. Now, if you look at the moving averages, these are still trading with divergence and staying. Stochastic here has dropped from the overbought zone and it is looking downwards. Signs of bearishness. Look at MACD. See, MACD here, though it has crossed over at the bottom, it has continued trading bullish. It is trying to converge, not yet crossed over. A crossover here can lead to bearishness, but right now it is just starting to look down. It's starting to converge, not yet crossing over. So this is one another sign that it has still scope for further continuation on the upside, but it is trying to converge a bit because too much of divergence, too much of bullishness here has got this, and now it is trying to come closer before crossing over. If it crosses over, certainly it is a sign of bearishness, but right now it is not. RSI has dropped from the overbought zone. Coming to weekly, now look at weekly charts. Moving averages are still trading with divergence and bullishness. Support levels at 2300, very strong. We have seen this is the first bounce, second bounce, and every time it is achieved higher highs. So this is almost a kind of expanding triangle here, and the lows here are close to 2300 level. Now also notice we have seen one bullish candle consolidation, couple of bullish candles, and right now it is still very much respecting this channel here. Thus it is important for gold to break below 2384.80 zone in the coming week, which will confirm further bearishness. Then 2370 is one support level, 2350 is next, 2320, and then 2300 will be seen. Yes, it can erase all the gains from last couple of weeks and move towards these levels. Possibilities there. These are markets looking at the sharp erosion here and sharp reversal here. It appears that it can continue here, but not without retracement. Now, when I say not without retracement, so what does this mean? This means that the coming week may start in green. It can move towards this zone. Possibly might get a resistance here. If it breaks 2420, 2422 zone, we can see a little rise towards 2440, 45. This is going to be the next milestone. Hitting these levels, prices can reverse again. This one possibility you cannot ignore. And the second thing is only bearishness below 2380. If it breaks, then you can say the reversal chances will be less, and then we can expect it to move towards this zone at 2350 and in fact lower levels. Also, what we have seen on the daily charts, on the weekly charts also, it is trading with divergence from the 20 period moving average, calls for it to converge. Stochastic at top. Look at now. See MACD here. I have always maintained MACD here has crossed over at the highs. First wave, second wave is now beginning here. This suggests that there is lot much of room on the downside available for gold. This also suggests that if it breaks below 2380 and 2370, we can look forward to a sharper correction. 2350, 2320, and 2300 levels can also be seen here. Be watchful as and how it breaks one support. Certainly the bearishness will increase here. Remember this fact. It is now divergent here. RSI has just come out of the overbought zone here, and it is trading very near to overbought levels. Now coming to monthly, this is indeed important. Higher highs are done, higher lows are seen here. It is trading and forming nice flag here. Now if you notice this, the highs are beautifully aligned here. Hitting the highs, it is trying to reverse, and you should notice this, that preceding candle was a indecision candle and a reversal candle. So three bullish candles, prices got a push from the upside. Again this time price is getting a push from the upside. Remember, now if this is a reversal sign, the current candle has to trade in red, which means that we have 8 trading sessions left, and if it has to turn red, it has to move sharply here on the downside. Now look at this. Right now it is not suggestive of a complete reversal, but if you see it is staying below 2320, 2300, and then 2280, remember a sharper correction on the downside towards 2240, 2250 can also be expected. But right now the signs are not very much encouraging, though if you look at the divergence of the price from the moving averages, this is too much divergent from the 20 period moving average, thus it calls for it to converge. Look at this, what has happened here, a sharp correction, then a little bit of correction forming the base at 2000 levels, and then a rise. So bigger the rise, bigger could be the retracement. Now this could be the first candle towards its downward journey. That is what we can look forward to. Stochastic trading very near to top, very near to overbought zone. MACD, if you look at MACD, see MACD still suggests that there is lot much of bullishness left, but right now it is divergent, so it may try to converge. Converge means couple of red candles from here and then a bounce back. RSI entering into overbought zone. So now we have seen the charts, we've seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy. And if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, join my signals channel on Telegram. Write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker which is available worldwide, which offers a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, first thing is where you should buy. Let's talk about the buying entries first. 240608 levels, you can buy here, initiate a buying entry here. Expect 20, see first resistances are very nearby, 2414. Then I will look forward to 24, 22, 24, 24 zone. Staying above this, certainly the bullish momentum will increase and we can look forward to 24, 40, 45 levels as the next key level here. If gold trades above this, you can say 24.52 will be the next, and breaking beyond this, sky is the limit. We are looking forward to a complete reversal towards 24.76, 24.85 levels. Chances for this happening again appears to be less. Beyond this, 2500 is the next milestone. Now you have to be trading with caution, as in how it gets overbought, the chances of a pullback also increases here. Coming to the monthly selling entry. Now selling entry here is only below 2394 or 90, 94, 92 zone, where we can expect it to move towards 2384, 80 zone. Below this, I will look forward to 2370. Below 2370, I will look forward to 2354, 48 levels. Any move below this will bring lot much of bearishness, and though the next target is towards 2320, in between this we can see a little support coming at around 2332. Below 2320, the target is 2300, 2291, and then 2280 levels. If it breaks below this, 2250, 40 levels can be expected. Again, I do not see it breaking towards these levels in the coming week, but these are markets, as in how it breaks the key levels here. These are the key levels here, as in how it breaks the key levels here, the momentum is going to increase. So take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Do not miss to watch the twice a day updates, which will give you fair idea on how to profit every day. Thus, subscribe and press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend. Thank you.